Hey guys, Funk Roberts from FunkMMA.com, FunkRobertsFitness.com, and today I'm with my boy Mike Zhang, and we are going to take you through a Kickboxer abs workout. And Mike's got an awesome program called Kickboxer Abs 2.0. You probably saw our old workout before where he kicked my butt, but this one crushed me, man. I'm telling you, this is a real deal. So Mike's going to take us through a 5-exercise circuit that you do 50 seconds work followed by 10 seconds rest. So you know what? Let's get started. Let's get it done.
What's going on? I'm so excited to be here today. We've got a 5-minute Kickboxer Abs 2.0 finisher program just for you. So if you're at home right now, create a little bit of room. All you need is yourself, a little bit of space, and let's get right into it. Funk, you ready to go? So we're going to be doing 50 seconds of one exercise. You're going to take a 10-second break, and we're going to be doing 5 exercises in total. So let's get ready. The first one we're going to do is a jab, cross, knee, elbow. So 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Right. So at home, what I really want you to focus on is making sure you're extending your punches all the way. This is going to help you activate your core by turning your upper body. Good work. Make sure you're reaching for that knee. You're looking good, Funk. Nice. 20 more seconds. Come on, let's go. Make sure you get full extension on those knees, turning hard on the elbow. Good. Nice. 10 seconds. Come on. Knee, elbow. Good. Notice how Funk is turning over on each one of the strikes. That's what I want you to do. 2, 1, and time. So 10-second break. The next one that we're going to be doing is a high plank walkout. So you're going to get into your push-up position, and what you're going to do is squeeze your glutes and start. And what you're going to do is roll your shoulder blades back and walk out with your hands. Now, what I want you to do is squeeze your glutes so that everything in your upper body is engaged, so your body is not wobbling left and right. Good. So I want you to really focus on keeping your back stable as you walk out. Good. Focus on bringing your scapula and your shoulder blades back. What this does when you roll your shoulder blades back and engage your glutes is keeping your back neutral. This is a very safe way to engage your abdominal muscles. Good work. You notice how Funk here is not swaying his hips left and right? That's what you're trying to do, because that's going to stabilize your upper body by engaging your abdominal area. 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. Next up, we've got a 1-2-1-2 sprawl. So we're going to be turning our bodies over on all our punches and dropping down to the floor. 1 time, and let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, and drop. Good. Now, when you're at home, I want you to really focus on turning your body all the way over for those punches. You're going to throw your other shoulder back, driving your arm out, engaging your upper body, then dropping down for a sprawl. Come on, Funk, let's go. 30 seconds. Keep it up. Good. Come on. Let's pick up the pace. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. 20 seconds. Almost there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Make sure you're turning all the way, squeezing your abdominal area with every single strike. 10 seconds. Come on. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good. Next one, we have a long plank around the world. So you're going to hold a long plank. You're going to lift up your arm for 3 seconds. Other arm, one leg, other leg. Then you're going to continue. All right, let's go. All right. So hold one out for 3 seconds. Arm out. Good. So now what I want you to do at home is when you have one arm or one leg out, you want to keep your back, just like Funk is doing right now, perfectly flat. Good. So I want you to roll your scapula back a little bit. Good. What helps is when you engage your core and squeezing your glutes. This right here is going to activate your abdominal area because your body naturally will want to be off balance. Come on, Funk, let's go. 15 seconds. Let's get one more. Good. Nice work. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Great work. Last set. The last one that we've got is a V hold punch. So you're going to hold a V position on the ground. Good. So legs up. And what I want you to do is turn your body and punch. So you're naturally gonna wanna sway forward and back. So you really have to use your core to find your balance. Good. Come on, Funk. 35 seconds, let's go. Now, as you punch, make sure you're turning all the way. So what you're gonna do is activate your core even more, even though it's already being activated. Good. Come on, let's go. Full extension on those punches. 18. Good, looking good. Good. Come on. 10 seconds left. Let's go. Come on. One. Good.
Give me out, guys.
One more. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work.
My abs are killing me.
Good work. That was great.
Good job, man. Thank you. This works. This works. This works. So there you have it, Mike. Thank you so much for putting me through that workout. It was awesome, man. It was tough. As you can see, I struggled. I absolutely struggled through that workout, but that's cool. It's the first time I did it. I know that the next time I'm going to get better. And if you want more workouts like that, that engage your abs and core, plus you get to do, technical kickboxing, Muay Thai style training, then you can pick up Mike's Kickboxer Abs 2.0 program. If you see the little eye on this page right there, click the eye, it'll come down and you'll get a link, or click the link somewhere on this page to get this workout. Guys, I'm telling you, it's the real deal. You can see it right there, it's the real deal. It's very good. Again, abs are made in the kitchen, but you gotta strengthen them with Kickboxer Abs 2.0. Mike Zhang, follow along workouts, get it done.